Right now, so question number question number 12. Right now. So question number 12. So what does this say? This says a panel of 4 members is to be formed in order to serve as judges in a talent show competition. Okay, so there is a panel of 4 members. Right now. Then they are saying this panel is to be selected from a group of consisting three sportswomen. Okay. Three sportswomen, 2 sportsmen. Right? 2 sportsmen, 6 female singers. Then 5 male singers. Two actresses, 4 actors. Right now. How many actors are there? 4. So this is basically female, male. Right now. So out of those, out of these only we have to select these 4. Okay. Then they are saying furthermore, head judge has to be a sportsman or a sportswoman. Right now. So in the panel there is a head judge and then 3 more. This is the head judge. Head judge can be only from these. Right now. Then what else are they saying? Other 3 members of the panel have to be selected from the group excluding the sportsmen and sportswomen. Right. So these people will consist of these. Right? So now we have to understand the question correctly, right? So there is no mix between these, because these are clearly given that only these people will come to these 3, right? So understand that first of all. Then they are saying find the number of different ways in which the panel can be formed. Right. So okay. Then they are saying if at least 1 female singer and 1 male singer must be included in the panel. Right now. So now there should be 1 female singer and a male singer at least. So what does that mean? So there can be in this panel there can be only 3 people, right? So one situation is where there's 1 female singer, 1 male singer, and then another one. Or there can be 2 male singers, 1 female singer. Or there can be 2 female singers and 1 male singer. Right? So those are the only ways, right? Okay. So how many people are here? There are 5 people here. Okay. So I'm going to take a count of this as well, which is 6, 5 is going to be 11, 2 is going to be 13, 4 is going to be 17. Right. This is for my future reference, right? So, okay. So in the first question, right, this says now at least 1 female singer and a male singer is present. Right. Now Now let's see what are the different ways we can get one head judge, right? Now, so there are 5 people. So out of 5 we have to select one, right? Now, so if I write that selecting one head judge, it is going to be 5C1. Correct, no? Right? Then they say, so okay, that is one. Then how many different ways of selecting one female singer, right? So selecting one female singer, that is going to be how many female singers are there? 6. So out of 6 we have to select one, right? No? That is 6C1. Selecting 2 female singers, that is going to be 6, right? No? Out of 6 we are selecting 2. Then selecting 1 male singer, that is what? Out of 5 selecting 1. Then selecting 2 male singers, that is 5C2. Right, so these are the stuff that we need to do this sum. So I listed out those. So write this down. Right, so we got this stuff down. So now we have to find now. So so what are the combinations? So so now what do we need? We need at least 1 female singer and 1 male singer. Right. So what are the combinations? So now there can be, so there is 1 head judge. Right? So there's one head judge. Then there are what? We can select 1 female singer, 1 male singer, and then another person. Right? So 1 female singer, 1 male singer, 1 other. So how many other people are there? There are 6 other people. Right? So you can right? So there are 6 other people. Right? So you can actually add one thing up here as well. So selecting one person from the rest of the 6. Rest of the 6, that is 6C1. Right now? So what is this, so what's this going to be? So one head judge selecting one head judge is 5C1. 5C1. 1 female singer selecting one female singer is what? 6C1. 1 male singer is 5C1. But that is his 6C1. Right now? So that is one. Then there's another thing. What is that? Right, so let's continue. So then so one of the things of having at least 1 female singer and 1 male singer is this combination. So there's another combination where you get 1 head judge, then you get 1 female singer and then 2 male singers. Right now? So that will be what? That will be, so one head judge is 5C1, then 1 female singer is what? 6C1, then the 2 male singers is 5 C2. Correct, no? Then there's another thing that can happen, which is one head judge plus 2 female singers plus 1 male singer. Right, so that is going to be, so one head judge is 5C1, this is 6C2, this is 5C1. Right now? So to get the total number of combinations, we need to add these three up. Right now? So now, this will come up to 900, this will come up to 375, this will come up to 300. Right? So the total combinations, right? So the total combinations will be 900 plus 375 plus 300, right? So that will be 1175. Right? So the answer for the first part is 1575. Right now? Right, so what does the second question say? So the second question says, if 2 males and 2 females including the head judge must be in the panel. So now this is equal thing, no, now is 2 females and 2 males team. So summa. Okay? So let's see how that can happen. Right. Okay. So there can be. So in the whole panel there are 2 males and 2 females. Right. Okay. So now there are different ways that this can happen. So one way is what? One way is the head judge being male. Okay. So if the head judge is being male, so in the other category there can be only 1 male and 2 females. Right? So in this category, how many males are there? 5, 4 is 9 females, 6, 2 is 8. Right? So there can be only one, if there is only one person, one male from this category, so selecting that one is 9C1. Right? So now, selecting one male from 9 males will be 9C1. Right now, this is for this is when the male is already taken as the judge. So that means selecting one male as the head judge is what. So there are what do you call? Right. So there are how many males now? So there are 2 males. So we have to select 2. So we have to select two people. So there are 2 people. We have to select one person. So that is 2C1. Correct, no? Right. So now the head judge is already selected. Head judge select करना head judge लगे. Right. So from the head judges, right. So from the males of those head judges which are already selected, you have to select one. That is why this is 2C1. Or else you all might think that this is what out of what do you call 5C. So first of all selecting the male, that is 5C 2 and then 5 then 3 2C1 right? So we are selecting we are taking only 2, we are only taking males, and out of those 2 we have to select one. Right? Understand the logic, right? Okay. Then that is one way. Then there are so in this combination, then there are two more females. No? So selecting two females from the eight females. That is what? 8C2. Right? No? So now if we take one sportswoman or a female as the head judge, so selecting one female as the head judge. That is what? How many sportswomen are 3? No? So 3 C1. Correct? No? Then what? So if I select one sportswoman here, I can take only one female here, and then two males here. Right now? So then selecting two males from 9 males. That is going to be 9C2. Then selecting one female from the 8 females, that is going to be 8C1. Right now, are these clear? Right now, these are clear now? Right. So now it's just a matter of putting. Right now, so now basically what are the different? So what are the ways? That is one male head judge, then one male, two female. That is what? So selecting one male head judge is what? 2C1. So selecting one male is what? 9C1. Selecting two females was 8C2. Right now? Correct? Then what's the next one? One female head judge, two males, one female. That is what? So there are 3C1. Then there are two males, which is what? So we can get 9C2. One female is 8C1. Right? So now for us to get the total answer, we have just add this up. Right? So this comes up to 504. This comes up to 864. Right? So the total combination, right? So the total combination will be 504 plus 864. The answer will be 1368. So the answer for the second part is 1368. Right now? Right, so then selecting a sportswoman as a head judge, that means there are 3 sportswomen. So now the sportswomen are selected. Out of the 3 sportswomen, we have to select one person as the head judge. So that is 3C1. Correct? No? Right? Then, so now we selected one. Right? So remember this part is how many people we selected all the time. Just keep that in your back of the mind. Right? Even in the exam, just think now we have selected one person. Right? So we need 4 people, so this can't be something other than that. Right? Just keep that in mind. Right? So it will be beneficial for our exam. Then what? Then selecting 3 people from the rest of the 17 people. Right, so there are 17 people here now. So we have to select out of 17, select 3. Right? Okay? Then the combination is what? Combination is so now here this is going to be 3C1. This is going to be 70C3. So the combination will be 3C1 into 7C3, and you will get the answer as 2 4. Okay.